Okay, guys, hi, and today we will start a new project called Laravel, right? That means in this playlist you will be learning how to work with Laravel. That means it is a MEC framework, and in that framework you will understand how to create a project, app, right? A new app, and how to manage databases, and how to manage controllers, and how to manage the routes as well as middlewares. And this will be a course for the beginners, right? Not for the advanced people. If you are an advanced person, you can right, you can do something else. And if you are a beginner, please follow with me. If you have any doubts or any issue regarding the tutorials, you can give me a comment, and I will be replying to those things, right? Okay, let's start the project. The first thing that we thing that you have to know is we Laravel, right? And not the this one. Google search, and I'll be now you can see we can, if you go to the documentation, right? You have to install some dependencies, right. So the first thing is you will be needing to install. If you go to right, go to the Laravel thing, you have to install Composer, right? That means this is the thing. This is the easiest way that you can install, right? First, use the Composer. That means Composer create Laravel project, right? And we can uh, create the project, or else you can use the Laravel thing, right? So the first thing is the if you are using, I will for the beginners I will recommend you to use the Composer first, right? That means Composer means the dependency manager for PHP. You can install this one, and then right you can run this code, Composer global require Laravel install, right? Before that, before using installing the Composer, you will be needing to install PHP. To install PHP, you will be needing you'll be it will be easier to install exam, right? In that exam, you will have what PHP, Apache, and MariaDB. That means MySQL database. That the all the things that we need to manage a PHP project, right? So the first thing is what we have to first install exam, then Composer. I will not teach you how to do this. Just download it and install, right? And then just run Composer global require Laravel installer, right? That means this will install Laravel in your computer, but not the project, but a new example, sorry, new command line interface in your computer. That means we can work with Laravel Word, right? So now the first thing, the next thing, right? The next thing I will go to the CD, that means CMD, and copy this, right? That means we have to give this one. I will copy and go to the uh, CMD and paste it here like this, and I will give a name Laravel new, and then name I will give tiny tudes tiny tudes uh, and this Laravel, and enter. Now you can see the project is building up, right? Okay, now you can see the Laravel project has been created. Now you can see here, right? Yeah, right. Now you can see here the Laravel project have been created, right? Inside inside this there are some folders, right? So this is the first thing. And if I go to the CMD, open a CMD, that means a command prompt like this, and Control T if you are in macOS, that means a terminal, right? Command prompt, and you have to type this one. That means they have given this code. That means this will initiate the PHP server, Laravel servers that will host our project locally, right? See, deployment server, and they have given a address like this, and if you copy this address, right, and paste it here, now you can see we have installed a Laravel in our computer, right? Okay, that's it for this video, right? Next video we will be discussing how to set up database, and no, I will next time we will discuss about database as well as the MVC architecture in a Laravel project. So see you in the next video, and thank you for coming. Bye. Thanks. Please subscribe to my channel.